Hey guys, it's BSRC here from RC Nightmare. Today I'm going to show you how to make a series connector for your batteries. Series connectors are used on vehicles like the Summit and Revo where you might have two battery packs you need to connect together. In this situation in series, to raise the voltage. Here's an example of a hump pack. It's got a series connection. So let's get started. You'll want some wire. I have my wire pre-cut here. 3 little pieces to keep it small. We're going to be using Deans today. You need 2 male and 1 female Deans. Obviously soldering iron, solder, and helping hands is always nice to have. We're going to start by tinning the wire. You want to make sure you saturate it with solder to make it easier to connect to the Deans. Alright, I have all my wires pre-tinned, and we're going to do the same thing to the Deans connectors. Alright, I'm going to start with the positive wire on the female Deans. This is what we'll plug into the speed controller. And now the negative wire. Don't forget the shrink wrap. Alright, now we have our started pigtail. This is familiar to most everyone. This would be like what you'd use if you're connecting right to the battery. Now we're going to split it off into the series connection. So I'll start with the red wire. Take your male Deans. Connect the red to the vertical pin on the Deans. Don't forget the shrink tubing. we're going to take the negative wire and put it to the negative post on the other male Deans. Shrink tubing first. Alright, so we're almost done. We have negative wire going to the negative on the one male Deans, positive to the positive on the other male Deans, and now we're going to connect the two. And this little piece of wire is what makes the series connection. This will add the voltages of the two batteries together, and it will be going from the negative on one of the male Deans to the positive on the other. Just like so. Shrink wrap on. Now for the last connection, which will complete our circuit. Shrink tubing first. We're going to let that cool off just a bit before putting the shrink tubing on it. It's already starting to shrink on me a little bit. You may have the same problem if you have a short length of wire. Shrink her up. Now if you're still not sure if you've done it right, very helpful tool if you own an electric car would be a digital voltmeter. So now before you go plugging this into your expensive RC car, you can plug your two batteries into it, being very careful, and you can check the voltage on the female connector simply by taking your probes, stick them in there when your batteries are connected, and you should read exactly double the voltage of your packs. There you have it. That is a series connector. Not too difficult. Take your time, make sure you got all the tools ahead of time, makes a big difference. Try not to burn yourself. Thanks for watching, guys. We'll see you soon.